I say as we rollin', I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Riding. I got a job for you if you want to come do some work. I got this inside tire on this Kenworth semi-truck that we're about to replace. Look at that, baby. Hold on. Let me take the cap off real quick. Let's get in there. This tire is gone. It blew out on that driver while they were on the interstate trying to make money. But get what though? It wasn't too bad, and they were able to pull over to this truck stop and call Mike Ride out here. Now, it's a hot day in Georgia. Matter of fact, put the temperature on the screen, please. You see what I got to deal with out here? You think it's so easy to do this? Outside of that, I ain't only dealing with that heat. It's a storm about to roll in. I hope y'all can see these clouds. They've been storming every afternoon for the last few weeks. I got about 30 minutes before it hit. So we dealing with the heat and we finna try to beat the storm. Let's see if I can get it. Time me if you need to, but this job, it officially starts in 3, 2, 1, let's go. This the tire we putting on now. It is a used tire, but look how deep those treads are on this baby. Let me shut up all that talking, man. We finna go on and knock this out real quick. That way I ain't getting rained on, even though my camera is waterproof. And this will be a good test for it, but I ain't waterproof, and I ain't trying to get soaked up, so let me shut up and go on and knock this out. This my first semi-truck today, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and put oil inside the gun. Go on and grab our handy-dandy 33 millimeter. If y'all saw that on the ground, I did too. And if you didn't, I'm about to go back to it anyway. Is it on heads? It's on tails, but I still pick it up. When the last time you found money on the ground? I know this ain't a lot, it ain't nothing but 10 cents. It ain't gonna do much for me. I can't even buy no Coca-Cola, but still, the principle's still the same. I should have did this before I done crunk the air compressor. Oh no, they coming right off. Oh my freaking God. They don't make them like this no more. All my tire guys, all my mechanics, y'all know these lug nut covers are usually hard to come off, and they're a pain in the behind when we trying to get up out of here. Come here. You know I need you, baby. Let's get you going. Pull out Mr. 20 ton. When I tell you this finna be easy, this finna be easy, baby. Let's go. We're gonna put you right up under this U-boat right there. Dead in the middle. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let's go. Houston, we've made contact. Houston, we've made contact. We coming up in the world, baby. You see that tire off the ground? That mean we high enough. Let's go. If you hear me saying some random stuff, I'm rapping, I got my earbuds in. It's cold blowing your mind. All of this was designed. Crept from behind. Rise and shine, cold world. In my mama's Civic, now I'm out here trying to get it. Come here. Ooh, that joker done seen better days. It's already broke on this side. Yep, let's lay him down. Let's get to it. I hoop, but never good enough to ever be a Laker. Jordan. Boy, I'm meaner than Katrina mixed with Gina. This is for my people back home, homes. This is for the women that played me. Ooh. Let's go. Off with you. My soul to take. My soul to take. Get on your job, little man. That seal looks great on that valve stem. I will get on that. Let's go on and go on with this tire. You know we gotta lube it down, man. Let's see what that lube do. Yes, sir. That's tire lube, baby. That ain't tire paste. That ain't tire compound. This is tire lube, baby. Listen, this is finna slide on so easy. I might not even have to touch it. Let's see what we got. Barely touched it. That joker done fell on. Let's peel him on. But it fit me perfect. I purchased it if I. The city on my shoulders, so no girl you can't. When you make the list of the greatest, hey, am I? Maybe not yet, but man, I got the clock that it goes. Hey. We're gonna go on and get you aired up. It's on there kind of tight, so I don't think I'm gonna need my cheetah tank. Let's see what we're gonna do. It should catch automatically, which it did. Yes, it did. It's gonna let you air up, then we're going back on the truck with it. Y'all know me, man. I try to work smarter, not harder, so while that tire's airing up, I'm putting all my accessories and tools up that I won't need anymore. Watch what I do with that hammer, no hands. Step on that joker, pop him up. I'm Thor when it comes to this hammer, boy. While we're waiting on that tire to air up, I'm gonna go ahead and get the bag in. Yeah, I'm a 37-year-old black man and I ain't too proud to beg, man. Pride ain't in my DNA. Check this out while I got you here. You like this video, the type of work you see me doing. I'm out here blood, sweat, and tears, fighting against this Georgia heat, trying to beat the storm while it's still on the way in. Like this video, man. Like it, just hit the like button. It don't cost you nothing. You wanna start a conversation around tires, mobile tire repair, roadside assistance, drop a comment inside the comment section, man. Start a conversation, be a part of the conversation. I try my hardest to interact with all my viewers, all my supporters and listeners. Share this video with your people, dog. They need to see this. You got somebody you want to see, a hard-working young man out here making an honest living, send this video right over there to him. Last but not least, on the begging tip, hype this video up, man. You appreciate seeing this? Hype this video up, man. That's all I'm asking for y'all, dog. It don't cost you nothing to do those things. As far as me, let me get back to this tire. I'm gonna put them about 95 in there. We right at 93. Hey, that was almost on time. I tried to time it to where when I finish my little spill, it'll be right there where I want it. But get what, baby? 95 on the head. No cuts, no edits. I'm a bad man. You know I'm gonna put my valve cap on now. I can't let them leave without it. We're going back on with you. Let's go. If you're watching this video and you see the tools that I use, i.e. that bar that I just put down, that cheetah tank that I had earlier, my jack that I used to jack it up, and you want to order it online, I leave a link for majority of the tools that I use in the product section. So if you want to check out my air gun, my air chuck that I use to air tires up, check the product section, baby. Let's get him on. I ain't said this in a minute. Nascar, is you ready? Let's put these covers back on, man, shall we? Man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Everyone who supports this channel, I'm appreciative of you. Like, I never thought when I started this channel we would grow so fast. Dude, it was like the first 3 months was kind of stagnant. Maybe the first 4 months, but then we got into March of this year and it just skyrocketed. Like, I'm getting thousands of subscribers, man, and that's not me bragging, that's not me boasting. That's me showing my appreciation to you, because without you, I'll just be doing this for me. And if we're being honest, I don't do this for me. I don't do this for my health. This does nothing for me. I can do these tires without recording my jobs, you know what I'm saying? Like I used to do. But to be able to share my craft with you guys, to be able to share my knowledge, because I don't just do this for you to watch me. I share knowledge with you every single time I'm out there, you know what I'm saying? In some form, shape, fashion, there are gonna be gems or something dropped on you guys. Just like I'm about to drop this jack. Let's go. So I say all that to say this. I appreciate you guys. You really don't know how much it means to me. Y'all could spend y'all precious time watching something else, watching somebody gossip, watch somebody start trouble and be about some nonsense. Hold on. I wanted to cut it off real quick. Watch somebody be on getting in trouble and nonsense, man. Y'all could be watching anything, but you choose to spend 10, 15 minutes out your day to watch me change tires. I thank you for that, man. Let me show you something real quick. The cloud done moved and it's almost on top of me, but it ain't started raining yet, so that means I have beat the storm. The wind is picking up. It ain't raining yet though. You know what I call a job like that where I'm from? A success.